Okay, I got another box break for you. That's my second one. Hopefully I'll have another one soon. It's 2000, 2001 SP Authentic. Alright, I'm just going to read through the names. These aren't for trade, just for my set. If I buy another box of those, will be for trade. Alan Henderson, Mitch Richmond, Richard Hamilton, Dikembe Mutombo, sorry, and Shaq, SP Supremacy. That's my first insert, but it's nothing too special. Looks kind of like the set actually. I should get at least one hit in here, but pretty much I just like base cards anyways because I have shitloads of them. I got a lot of stuff for trade. Baron Davis, Chucky Atkins, Gary Payton, Wally Zerbiak, and Lorenzo Wright. Vince Carter, Jason Kidd, David Wesley, Christian Laettner, and Premier Powers, Rasheed Wallace. I should get one autograph in here, that's it. That's all I get. But I'm going to start doing group breaks, I think. If someone could tell me how that works. Tino Mobley, Tim Duncan, Steve Nash for the Mavericks, Charles Oakley, Aaron Williams. You can tell this is an old set. Steve Nash on the wrong team. Alright, Steve Smith, Eddie Jones, Hakeem Olajuwon, Jason Terry, and Predrag Stojakovic. And if I see the hit, I'll save that for last for you guys. Ooh, a rookie FX. Nice. Tim Hardaway, Paul Pierce. Ooh, nice. No, low numbers. Well, kind of. Karl Malone and Damon Stoudemire. And rookie effects, Eaton Thomas, numbered 185 out of 2000. And I should get a couple of those numbered cards in here too. I don't really know how many. I don't even know if there's any good rookies. Elton Brand. Stephon Marbury, who plays for the Celtics now. Jermaine O'Neal, Nick Van Exel, Terrell Brandon, Terrell Brandon and Elton Brand. 3 minutes. I got 7 minutes to open the rest of these. I better fucking get going. Let's see. Andre Miller, Sharif Abdul-Rahim, Glenn Rice, Shaquille O'Neal, and Larry Hughes. No, I just bought this set. It was like $30 for this box of cards, so that's pretty much the reason I bought it. It was cheap. Chauncey Billups, Allen Houston, Lamar Odom, David Robinson, and Antonio McDyess. And I'll have to buy another box to finish the base set, but I figure if it's only $30, what the hell. I'm gonna just skip through those. Latrell Sprewell, Spectacular insert. I'm not gonna read any more of the base though, because they're not for trade anyway, so fuck it. I'm just gonna look for my hits. Ron Mercer for the Bulls. I didn't know he played for the Bulls. 5 minutes. I'm counting. Hopefully my girlfriend doesn't call while I'm doing this, because I ain't answering the phone. I don't got time to talk to her. I'm busy opening cards. Didn't I already get a Baron Davis? That means I got doubles in the fucking... That's retarded. If I get doubles in the fucking one box, that's stupid. Oop, there's my signature card. What? Quentin Richardson. What? Quentin Richardson signature card. Sign of the times. It's not numbered, which is fucking stupid. But, whatever. Who's fucking calling me now? What? I'm doing something right now, thanks. Love you, bye. Sorry, my mom's fucking annoying. Well, that's cool. I was hoping for a triple signature card, but I didn't get one. The rest should be base. I don't think I'll get any more hits, except for this pack kind of feels heavy. Sweet. That's sick. I got 2 signatures in here. I wasn't supposed to. Joel Prisbilla. Nice. I was only supposed to get 1 signature card in here, and I got 2. Plus, I got this Kobe Bryant SF Forces, which is good because that's who I collected. I don't have that card, so that's cool. That's pretty sweet. I got 2 signature cards out of his box. I wasn't supposed to. If anyone collects Quentin Richardson, let me know. I might trade that away. I usually trade my hits off if I can, but I just want base anyways right now. I'm looking for get some sets going. 6 minutes. I got plenty of time, I guess. Mike Bibby, Sean Marion. That's pretty sweet. I got a couple of signatures in this box. Vince Carter, SP, Athletic. Vince Carter, that's a nice card. Nice little base insert. Yeah, definitely buy another box of this stuff. I like this box. It's nice. Nice stuff. Oh, nice. Another nice insert card. Paul Pierce, first class. I got 3 more packs after this next one, so I got 4 packs left. I've got fucking 3 minutes to do it in. So I'm gonna fucking speed through as fast as I can. And I'm gonna try to get another oh, I got 4 packs, just kidding. Shitloads of base though, that's for sure. I'm glad I got that Kobe out of the way, that's nice. I got another Kobe in there. I just bought some Kobe's today anyway, so that adds to my collection. Alright, 2 more packs, guys. I got 30 seconds. 30 seconds to go. Name of a band I know. If you guys check them out, they're local. Okay. Well, it was good. I got 2 hits out of that box, and nothing really good, but whatever it did. Oh, Kobe Bryant base. Kobe Bryant base. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Sorry that there's nothing special. But hey, I'm going to try to get some expensive stuff next time, so and I'm going to try to get some group breaks going once I get some money together and figure out how to do that. Get my PayPal going. But you guys have a good day, and I will see you later.